Namaste parents, hello children, this is AJ. Welcome back to our session. We are learning 7th standard CBSE Mathematics, 4th chapter, Simple Equations. Let us start exercise 4.2 children. Give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. First one, x minus 1 equal to 0 children. Here we have to find out the variable, right? Left side we have x minus 1 and right hand side we have 0. So what we can do? Adding, because we want to remove this term, numbers. So adding 1 to both the sides. So here I am adding x minus 1 plus 1 here and right side also 0 plus 1. Correct children? Here minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled. 0 plus 1 equal to 1. So what is x value? It is 1 children. Right? Otherwise you can do like this also directly. X minus 1 equal to 0. If you send negative 1 to right hand side, it will be positive 1. X equal to 1. Correct children? Second one, x plus 1 equal to 0 children. Here left hand side we have x plus 1. We have plus 1 here. So we have to cancel this term. So we have to add minus 1. Then only we can cancel plus 1 minus 1. Therefore we are adding negative 1 to both the sides of the equation children. This is the equation. Correct children? Now we are adding minus 1 here and minus 1 here also. Now check children. Plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. It is 0. 0 minus 1. Now x equal to minus 1. Right? Otherwise you can do directly as I said before. X plus 1 equal to 0. If the plus 1 is going to right hand side means it will be negative 1. Now x equal to minus 1. This method also you can use. Now question C children. X minus 1 equal to 5. Here with x we have negative 1. That means we have to add plus 1 both the sides. Right children? Now add plus 1 both the sides children. Left hand side also we have to add plus 1 and right hand side also we have to add plus 1. Any operation, any arithmetic operation if you are doing means we have to do both the sides of the equation children. Now see x minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So x equal to 5 plus 1, 6. Or else we can do directly also x minus 1 equal to 5. This is the given question. From here x equal to this negative 1 will go to right hand side means it will be positive 1. 5 plus 1, 6. Question D, x plus 6 equal to 2. Here we have to add negative 6 both the sides children because x plus 6 with variable we have plus 6 here. So we have to add minus 6 both the sides. Now we are adding negative 6 on left hand side and right hand side also. Right children? So x plus 6 minus 6. Plus 6 minus 6 is 0. Therefore x equal to 2 minus 6 minus 4. Now we will do directly. This is the question. X plus 6 equal to 2. From here x equal to this positive 6 will go to right hand side. It will be negative 6. 2 minus 6 here also minus 4. Third question, y minus 4 equal to minus 7. Now we have to add positive 4. Right children? Positive 4 on both the sides. So y minus 4 plus 4 here and minus 7 plus 4 here. We are adding positive 4 both the sides. Therefore y minus 4 plus 4 will get cancelled. It is 0. Therefore y equal to minus 7 plus 4 minus 3. Or else you can do directly here only children. Y minus 4 equal to minus 7. Y equal to send this negative 4 to right hand side. Minus 7 plus 4. This equal to minus 3. Y equal to minus 3. Any method you can use. Question F. Y minus 4 equal to plus 4 children. Here negative 4 is there. That means we have to add plus 4 here and right hand side also. Right? Now adding plus 4 on both the sides. plus 4 here and plus 4 here also. From here y minus 4 plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 is 0 children. So y equal to 4 plus 4, it is 8. Or else we can do directly also y minus 4 equal to 4. This is the question, right? So from here y equal to this minus 4 will go to right hand side plus 4. 4 already there and negative 4 will go to right hand side. It will be plus 4. Sign will change. Now 4 plus 4 equal to 8. Here also 8. Question G, y plus 4 equal to 4. Here we have plus 4 with y. Y plus 4 equal to 4. So we have to subtract 4 on both the sides. So that we can cancel plus 4 and minus 4, we will get only variable. Right children? Now we are subtracting 4. That means minus 4. And here also minus 4. Right children? So from here y plus 4 minus 4. Plus 4 minus 4 is 0. Therefore y equal to 4 minus 4. Here also 0. Y equal to 0 is the answer. Now we will do direct method. What is the question children? Y plus 4 equal to 4. Correct. From here y equal to, send this plus 4 to right hand side. 4 already there. Now send this plus 4 to right hand side. Minus 4. Sign will change. 4 minus 4 is 0 here also. Now question H. Y plus 4 equal to negative 4. Here also we have plus 4. That means we have to subtract 4 on both the sides of given equation. Now put minus 4 on both the sides. Here negative 4 and here also negative 4. From here y plus 4 minus 4 is 0. Y equal to minus 4 minus 8. Now we will do directly also. Question is y plus 4 equal to negative 4. From here y equal to minus 4 already there. Now send this positive 4 to right hand side. It will change the sign. Negative 4. That equal to minus 8. Second question children. Give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Here they have given the equations children. We have to separate the variable, right? That means we have to cancel these constants, whatever the constants with the variable is there, right? Before question we have add and subtract. Now it is multiplication and division, right children? First question 3l equal to 42. Here 3 is multiplying the variable, right? 3 is multiplying the variable. Now we want to cancel this 3. We want to eliminate this 3. That means we have to divide with 3 on both the sides. So that you can cancel 3 and 3. Therefore L only will be there. Correct children? Now we are dividing with 3 children. See, divided by 3 here and right hand side also divided by 3 here. Now 3 will get cancelled. It is 1. Therefore L equal to 42 by 3 children. That is 14. Or else we can do directly also. As I said before, 3L equal to 42. This is the question they have given. Now we want only L. So keep L here. Send this 3 to right hand side. 3 is multiplying here. When it go to right hand side, it will divide. So 42 by 3, that equal to 14. Now here the constant is multiplying the variable. 3 is multiplying the variable. If you send to right hand side, so that it will divide. Right children? Question B, b by 2 equal to 6. Here 2 is dividing here. We don't want the number. Only variable we want to separate. Right children? So we want to cancel this 2. What we have to do? We have to multiply 2 on both the sides of the given equation. Multiply with 2 here into 2 and here also into 2. Now here and here 2 will get cancelled. Therefore b equal to 6 into 2, 12. Right children? Now we will do directly children. What is the question? B by 2 equal to 6. Now we want only b. So send this 2 to right hand side. B is dividing here. If you send to right hand side, it will multiply the number. 6 into 2. That is 12. Question C, p by 7 equal to 4. Here 7 is dividing the variable here. We don't want the number. We want to separate only variable. Right children? So what we have to do? We have to multiply 7 on both the sides of the equation. Now multiply with 7 children. Here into 7, here also into 7. Now 7 will get cancelled. P equal to 4 7s are 28. Now we'll do directly P by 7 equal to 4. This is the given question, given equation. Now we want P, we don't want the number, so send it to right hand side. It will be multiplying with another number, right children? So P equal to 4 7s are 28 here also. Question D children, 4x equal to 25 here. Here 4 is multiplying the variable. We don't want the number, just send it right hand side, otherwise we can divide with 4. Right children? Divide with 4 on both the sides of the equation children. Divided by 4 here and divided by 4 here also. Now 4 will get cancelled. We have only variable. See, x equal to 25 by 4. Now we'll do directly children. 4x equal to 25. This is the question, right? Now we want x only. We don't want the number, so send it to right hand side. It is multiplying here. If you send right hand side, it will divide. 25 by 4. Question E, 8y equal to 36. Here 8 is multiplying the variable. We don't want any constants here, only we need to separate variable. Y we need, right? So we have to divide with 8 on both the sides of the equation. Divided by 8 on left hand side and divided by 8 on right hand side also. 8 will get cancelled here, so that y equal to 36 by 8 children. We can simplify this one. 4 2s are, 4 9s are, right? So y equal to 9 divided by 2. Now we'll do directly 8y equal to 36. We want only variable, so send 8 to right hand side, 36 by 8. Right children, y equal to 36 by 8. 4 2s are, 4 9s are here also, therefore y equal to 9 by 2. Now question F, z by 3 equal to 5 by 4 children. Here 3 is dividing. We want to cancel this 3. We want only variable. So that we have to multiply 3 on both the sides of the equation children. Now multiply with 3 children, into 3 here and into 3 here also. 3 will get cancelled, therefore z equal to 5 by 4 into 3. 5 3s are 15 by 4. Now we'll do directly z by 3 equal to 5 by 4. Right? This is the question. Now we want only z. Right? Now 3 is dividing here. If you send right hand side means it will multiply. 5 by 4 into 3 here. Right children? 5 3s are 15 divided by 4. Question G children. A by 5 equal to 7 by 15 here. Here 5 is dividing. We want only variable. So that we have to multiply with 5 on both the sides of the equation. Therefore into 5 here and into 5 here also. 5 will get cancelled. Therefore A equal to, here 7 by 5, 15 into 5 children. 5 1s are, 5 3s are. Right? We can simplify. 7 by 3. Now we'll do directly children. A by 5 equal to 7 by 15 here. We want only variable, so that send this 5 to right hand side. A equal to 7 by 15 already there. 5 is dividing here. If you send to right hand side, it will multiply. Now 5 1s are, 5 3s are. Therefore answer is 7 by 3. Question H, 20t equal to minus 10. Here 20 is multiplying. We don't want 20, we want only variable. So that we have to divide on both the sides. Now dividing with 20 on left hand side and right hand side also. 20 will get cancelled. Therefore t equal to minus 10 by 20. What is minus 10 by 20? 10 1s are, 10 2s are children. Negative 1 by 2 is t value. Now we'll do directly 20t equal to minus 10. Right? We want t only. We don't want the number. So send it to right hand side. Minus 10 divided by 20. It is multiplying here. When you are sending to right hand side, it will divide. 10 ones are 10 twos are, so minus 1 by 2 here also, children. Question 3, children. Give the steps you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Here 3n minus 2 equal to 46, children. We want only variable. First what you will do? We have to add plus 2 on both the sides. Right, children? 3n minus 2 and 46 here. So we'll add plus 2 on both the sides. Now what is the equation? 3n equal to minus 2 plus 2 will get cancelled. 3n equal to 46 plus 2, 48. Right, children? Still 3 is there here. That means we have to cancel this 3. Now we will divide with 3 on both the sides. Correct, children? Now 3 will get cancelled. Therefore n equal to 48 by 3, that is 16. Or else you can do directly, children. 3n minus 2 equal to 46, right? This is the question. From here 3n equal to, send this 2 to right hand side. 46 plus 2, it is 48. Here 3n equal to 48, children. We want only n. So send this 3 to right hand side. It will be dividing. Here multiplying, if you send to right hand side means it will divide. And n equal to 48 by 3, that equal to 16. You can do like this or you can do like this also, children. Now question B, 5m plus 7 equal to 17. Here 7 is extra. We want variable only. We want to separate the variable only. First we'll subtract with 7 on both the sides. Correct, children? 5m plus 7 and 17 here we are subtracting with 7. Right? Now what is the equation? 5m plus 7 minus 7 is 0. That equal to 17 minus 7 is 10. We want only m, not 5m. So we have to divide with 5 here. Then only we can cancel 5, children. Right? Now 5 and 5 will get cancelled. What is m value? M equal to 10 by 5, that is 2. Or else we can do directly, children. 5m plus 7 equal to 17 here. Right? 5m equal to, if you send this 7 to right hand side, it will be negative 7. 5m equal to 17 minus 7, 10. So m equal to 10. This 5 you send to right hand side, it will divide 10 by 5, that equal to 2. Question C, 20p by 3 equal to 40. First we have to do multiplication of 3, children, so that we can cancel this 3. Right? Let us start. 20p by 3 here and 40 here, right? Now we are multiplying with 3. That is the first step. Correct, children? So 3 will get cancelled. Here 20p equal to 40 into 3, 120. Now again we have to separate the variable. So p only we want. Now what we have to do? We have to divide with 20 on both the sides. Right, children? By 20 here and by 20 here. So that we can cancel 20 here and 0 also you can cancel. Therefore p equal to 12 by 2. What is 12 by 2? It is 6. Now we'll do directly, children. 20p by 3 equal to 40. If you send this 3 to right hand side, 20p equal to 40 into 3, that equal to 120. Correct? Now we want only p, not 20p. So send this 20 also right hand side. It will divide 120 by 20, that equal to 6. Right, children? Now question D, 3p by 10 equal to 6. Here 10 is dividing, so that we'll multiply with 10 means we can cancel this 10. Right, children? Multiply with 10 on both the sides. Here also multiplying with 10 and here also we are multiplying with 10. Now cancel 10 here. Therefore 3p equal to 6 tens are 60, children. Now we want only p, right? Here 3 is multiplying p. So that we have to divide on both the sides. Therefore we can separate the variable, children. Now divide with 3 on both the sides. 3 will get cancelled. Therefore p equal to 60 by 3. 3 2s are, 3 zeros are. That means 20. P equal to 20. Now we'll do directly, children. 3p divided by 10 equal to 6. This is the question. Now keep 3p on left hand side. Send this 10 to right hand side. 10 is dividing here. If you send to right hand side, it will multiply. So 3p equal to 60. Now we want p only. Send this 3 to right hand side. It is multiplying here. If you send to right hand side, it is dividing. 60 by 3, that is 20. Fourth question, children. Solve the following equation. First one, 10p equal to 100. We want only variable. That is the solution. Right, children? So we want p only. Now send this 10 to right hand side. It is multiplying the variable here. If you send to right hand side, it will divide. Right, children? 100 divided by 10. 100 by 10 is 10. P value is 10. That is the solution. Second one, 10p plus 10 equal to 100, children. We want p only, so we'll do step by step. Keep 10p here first, equal to 100. Now send this plus 10 to right hand side, it will be minus 10. Therefore 10p equal to 100 minus 10 here, 90. Here 10 is multiplying. If you are sending to right hand side, it will divide. Divided by 10. 90 by 10, p value is 9. Question C, p by 4 equal to 5. We want p only. Therefore send 4 to right hand side. 4 is dividing here. If you are sending to right hand side means it will multiply. P equal to 20. Correct, children? 5 4s are 20. Question D. Minus p by 3 equal to 5, children. We want p only. So send this 3 to right hand side. Therefore minus p equal to 5 into 3. Right? 3 is dividing here. If you send to right hand side, it will multiply. Now minus p equal to 5 3s are 15. We want p only. Multiply with minus to both the sides. Minus into minus plus here. Minus into 15 minus 15. P equal to minus 15. Right, children? Now 3p divided by 4 equal to 6. Keep 3p on left hand side. Send this 4 to right hand side. It is dividing now. If you sending right hand side means it will multiply. 3p equal to 24. We want p only. Right, children? P equal to 3 is multiplying here. If you send to right hand side, it will divide. 24 by 3, that equal to 8. P is 8. 3s equal to minus 9. We want s only. We want to separate the variable and give the solution, right? So s equal to 3 is multiplying here. If you send to right hand side, minus 9 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3 3s are, negative sign already there. So negative 3. Minus 3 is solution. Question G, children. 3s plus 12 equal to 0. Now keep 3s on left hand side. 0 already there. Send this positive 12 to right hand side. It will be negative 12. 0 minus 12. Therefore 3s equal to 0 minus 12 minus 12. Now we want s only. Right, children? S equal to, send this 3 to right hand side. 3 is multiplying here. If you are sending right hand side means it will divide. Minus 12 by 3. S equal to 3 4s are 12, right? Minus already there. Minus 4. Question H. 3s equal to 0. We want s only, children. 3 is multiplying here. Now send this 3 to right hand side. It will divide. 0 divided by 3. S equal to 0 by any number is 0. Question I. 2q equal to 6. We want q only, right? Now send this 2 to right hand side. 2 is multiplying here. If you are sending to right hand side, it will divide. 6 by 2. Therefore q equal to 6 by 2, 3. 2q minus 6 equal to 0, children. We want q only. So keep 2q here and send this negative 6 to right hand side. 0 plus 6, right? So 2q equal to 6. 0 plus 6 is 6. We want q only, right? Q equal to 6 divided by 2. 2 is multiplying here. If you are sending to right hand side means it will divide. 6 by 2. Therefore q equal to, what is 6 by 2, children? 3. Question K. 2q plus 6 equal to 0. Now keep 2q here and send this 6 to right hand side. 0 minus 6. It is minus 6. Therefore 2q equal to minus 6, children. We want q only, correct? Minus 6 divided by 2. 2 is multiplying here. If you are sending to right hand side, it will divide. Minus 6 by 2 is minus 3. Minus already there. 2 3s are 6. Minus 3 is the answer. 2q plus 6 equal to 12. Here separate 2q first. Now send this 6 to right hand side. That will be minus 6. 2q equal to 12 minus 6 is 6. We want q only, children. Now send this 2 to right hand side. Correct? 2 is multiplying here. If you are sending to right hand side, it will divide. 6 by 2 means q value is 3. We'll do the remaining questions in next session, children. Thank you very much.